Yes. Good morning. Ay, hindi pala. Good afternoon na. Alas 12. Ano na? Past 12. Thursday. We're on our way to Victoria. Last stop. Ito yung pinaka-roof deck. Ay, parang jogging path. Yan. Yan. Oh. Makikita nyo yun. Oh, yun yung kabilang side. Yun. Yan. Yan. Nasa ibaba naman yung swimming pool. Yan. Ito naman ang roof deck. Yan. Gusto nyo mag-jogging, pwede nyo mag-jogging dito. Kung ayaw nyo mag-treadmill sa gym. Yan. Ayun, yung kabilang side. Meron ding ano dito, monitor. Yan, malaki. Yan. Makikita nyo. Yun si AJ. Nagja-jogging. Yun. Yun siya. Nagja-jogging sa roof deck ng aming barko. Oh, di ba? Medyo maaraw pero malamig ang ano. Malamig ang temperature, 11 degrees. Bochog, oh. Hindi ka rito, Bochog. Daming ano, daming game, oh. Oh. Oh, Bochog.
$1 tsaka $2.
Yun nga lang, may bayad, Bochog. Hindi pala libre. Nga.
With our high-tech communication system. How many people on this bus right now think you're on an island? Let's hear a stonky stomp from you guys. A little rumble. How many people think you're on the mainland right now? Let's hear a stomp. Ooh, that's more. How many people couldn't care less? Now, they started to build the port in 1842. This neighborhood, oldest neighborhood north of San Francisco, this is called James Bay. There are tons of heritage homes in this neighborhood. If you like architecture, I highly recommend walking through this neighborhood here. We protect heritage buildings, both commercial and residential. So as you're walking around, you'll see little plaques on the front entryway of these homes that are heritage designated, province that allowed it. But they came here to help build the railway, and you had to come to Victoria to register with immigration before you went anywhere else in Canada. So for this reason, we actually have the oldest Chinatown in Canada, and it used to be a lot bigger than San Francisco's. In fact, it was 12 square blocks long and wide. But we had a couple of fires run through Victoria in the early 1900s, so it's only 2 blocks long and wide now. On the left-hand side, this is a marker for Mile Zero. That is marking the longest national paved road in the world. That's the Trans-Canada Highway. It's 5,000 miles long. And part of the Trans-Canada, you actually drive a single timber totem pole in the world in it. And there's usually a bald eagle sitting on the top of it. It is 127 feet tall, and it is one tree. We do have taller ones, but they're joined timber. So this is all one tree. Now behind this Thunderbird Park on the left, we have our provincial museum. And if you're planning on going to the museum, I do believe they are closing in a couple of hours.
Yes, nandito na kami sa downtown Victoria. Yan, the entrance. Yan. So, yun yung harbor. Victoria Harbor. Yan, nandito na kami sa downtown Victoria. Yan. Yan. Yan sila. Yan lakad.
Mulan?
Ay,
Tayo nagdala?
Oh, si Neo. Oh. Yan. Yan. Yan lang ang makikita nyo rito. Oh, diba? Yan. Lalakad na kami rito. Sama si paring Neo. Paring Neo, say hi. So, kasin tayo. Uno.
Meron din silang totem.
Oh. Yan. Dito kami sa legislative building nila. Parang ginawa na nilang tourist attraction. Yan. So, yan. Yan.
Excellent. Hello, everyone. My name is Sol, and I'm going to be your tour guide for today. Now, before we begin, I always like to ask.
Doon, this is downtown Victoria. Yan. Alright kami. Ito yung pinaka commercial district nila. Yan, downtown. Yan. Punta kami doon sa Lululemon. Mga mahilig mag-shopping. Ito yung shopping area. Yan. Walang sasakyan dito. Puro pedestrians lang. Tapos ito yung mga bilihan ng mga souvenirs. Yan. Mabili kami. Magnet sa rep. At saka sombrero with Canada. Yan.
How are you?
Marami rin. Balik na kami sa aming cruise ship. Tapos na ang aming lamyada sa Victoria, Canada. So ayun si AJ nauuna. Ito yung aming barko. Then sina AJ, ayan, sa ulihan. Ayan, yan yung barko namin. So this will be our last day. Tomorrow morning magdi-disembark na kami sa Seattle. Oh. Yeah, Seattle. Kasi
Hindi ba bawal?
Hindi naman. Mas
I was,
parang promotion pa ngayon.
I was joined competition in Miami, 2017 champion.
Oh?
Number 1 Filipino.
Only Philippines.
Only Filipino. We have already 120 participants.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Hindi,
That's why I'm very proud of myself.
Filipino.
Filipino.
Anong name nitong drink na to, sir?
What the fuck? Yan ba? Ako yan.
Uy, puta. Ayos
Basta ba na tayo ah. 21! Isa masarap to. Refreshing to. Smells like my mother-in-law.
Matagal na yung magkasama ni Jeff.
Wow. Last year.
Last
Last year.
Thank you. Hi guys. This is our last day. This is the waiting area before disembarking ba? the cruise ship. Kasi merong allotted time. Ay, merong allotted time sa amin. So dito ang waiting area. Yan, ito yung mga co-passengers namin. Yan. This is the Royal Theater. Oh guys, today is Friday and now we're already disembarking from our cruise ship and there's a line. Yeah. Yeah. That is the terminal where we're going to claim our baggage. Yeah. Say hi to Cousin Teo.
Hi, Bochong.
Hi, Bochong. Bye, Voyager of the Seas. Our home for the last 7 days. There. This is the exit. Yan. See? That is our cruise ship. Yeah. Goodbye. And thank you all the last 7 days. Dito kami sa waiting area para sa aming Uber. Yan. Yung waiting area. Yan. Marami namang ano. Hinihintay lang namin yung aming Uber. Yan. See? Oh. Yan. Ito yung service namin. See?
Mommy, is this ours?
And this is Neo.
Daddy, is that ours, the teddy bear? You get inside. Oh,